Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you a little thing I've done in R. Now the reason I've done this in R is, well, I tried doing it in Python, and don't get me wrong, I like Python. I've only been coding in it for a little while, and I like Python, but I looked at how to do some visualization in regards to data analytics, and it looks, from what I've seen, there's a GUI, and it looks easy to use, but really difficult to set up. So difficult that I gave up and just started going to R. Now, here's a little spreadsheet that I exported from a database, and let me just show you the R code right away. That is 3 lines of code. 5 if you count the empty spaces, but that is 3 lines of code. Compared to setting up the things on Python, it just seemed a little easier. Now we're importing a library, ggplot2, and this is the Excel file I just showed you, and this is the thing that sort of turns it into a graph. Now that's just ggplot takes in the argument of temps, which is the temperatures from the thing. That's what I've called it, by the way. That's a variable name. And the aesthetics of the graph, and then you get the geom line, which gives you your line. And again, you take that. That's from this. This is going to be coming in as a data frame, and the data frame has summer temp and winter temp. It also has ID, but we're not really using that. And yes, we got one line here for the summer temperatures, and we got one line here for the winter temperatures. And when you run this, you get a little graph, and it shows I mean, I can't really see any patterns. I don't think we have enough data to show any real pattern. I mean, we've got a real big dip here in 2010, but nothing that really goes against it in the summertime. So I'm not really seeing anything. Perhaps we need more data. But I just wanted to show you how easy I found doing this in R than doing it in Python. And Python's supposed to be easy. That's like the main thing about Python, is like it's so much easier than the rest. So I think for data analytics, I'm just going to stick with R. Unless someone can tell me how to get together a configuration with Python. Anyway, so that's been data analytics. See you next time.